So here we're talking about reaching higher levels of autonomous operations maturity, and that requires a blend of many technologies to transition from what we would call a traditional industrial automation to industrial autonomy. And we can define three axes of autonomy in our operations. So first of all, how do I control more autonomously so that the combination of my operators and control systems make better decisions, requiring fewer manual interventions, and they're capable of driving the plant through a wide range of scenarios, maintaining product quality in our production. How do I conduct my field operations? So my maintenance with greater autonomy to plan and reduce those field interventions, as we just discussed, to improve safety, optimize the cost of our maintenance.